So this is how I made $105,000 in the last 28 days with a brand new email list. Let's go. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya and I actually started building an email list in May of 2019 and I've built it to over 100,000 email subscribers. But recently I just launched a new product, a new ecosystem of products. And with that, I was able to create a brand new list, which allowed me to make the most money I've ever made in my online business. Now, in this video, I want to show you exactly step by step how you can make money by using and leveraging an email list, which is honestly the most important part of your online business. If you've seen any of my content, you'll know that I always preach having an email list. It's literally the most important part of my business. That's what I think about when I'm creating content, when I'm creating courses, when I'm trying to find an affiliate product to promote, because having that email list is how I make money, not only now, but for the long term. Now I'm gonna show you how to build an email list properly inside of this video, but more importantly, I'm gonna show you how to build an email list absolutely from scratch, even if you have never had any experience at all. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time online marketer in YouTube within 9 months of starting my business. I actually started in May of 2019 and I quit my job in March of 2020, right before the pandemic happened. Fortunately, I was able to build my business to now pay me passively and now making 6 figures every single month. So if you want to learn exactly how you can build a financial business that pays you passively, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Subscribe down below, hit the notification, like this video, comment. I really appreciate you guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so how do we build an email list from scratch, but more importantly, how can we make money with this email list even if you're a complete beginner? Now step number 1, guys, is we have to have an ecosystem of affiliate products, okay? A lot of people teach that you need to have multiple streams of income, tons of different products, and I agree with that to a certain point. Now, when I say ecosystem, the reason I say that is because you want all these products to make sense to the main offer, okay? So let's just say we have a main offer teaching somebody something, right? Whether it's a high ticket course, coaching, whatever it is. You want to pick a core product, okay? So for example, if you're promoting, a course on how to make money online or how to do stock investing or how to do affiliate marketing, typically that's going to be a higher ticket course, $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000, okay? That's your core product. Now the ecosystem of products are going to be things that are going to help people with that actual problem, right? So let's just say their problem is they want to make money online with affiliate marketing, okay? That's the core problem. Now, the main solution is we're going to give them a course teaching them how to do affiliate marketing. But with that, there's a ton of other problems that happen, right? Now they need a funnel builder. Now they need an autoresponder. Now they need to get content. Maybe they need TubeBuddy. Maybe they need whatever, right? There's all kinds of different products that are going to help that person now build their business. And this is how you really start making money, but more importantly, monthly reoccurring revenue. So it's important to understand the core solution, but also the little problems that occur. Now, once you figure out your ecosystem, now it's all about step number 2, which is creating the system, okay? Now the system's important. This is what helps you build a passive income business. For example, I can send traffic to my system right now. Whether I send 2 people or 2 million people, it's gonna do the same thing where it's gonna automate my whole process for me. The only difference is with 2 million people, I'm gonna make a lot more money and it's all passive, okay? Now with this system, with this ecosystem, basically, you have people going through this opt-in funnel, you're collecting email addresses, and then you have an autoresponder that's following up with people, all right? And this is basically gonna be your ecosystem, right? You have your core product that you're promoting, but then your email follow-up is gonna go ahead and promote multiple products, whether it's the Clickfunnels affiliate program or an autoresponder or, a book that you recommend or a tool that you think is going to help people, whatever it is. Now guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you my plug and play ecosystem where you can have this up and running by the end of today, meaning you can have an ecosystem of products, emails, and the system by the end of today. I'm literally gonna give it to you and let you plug and play with your affiliate links. I'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, step number 3 is we wanna continue to email people, right? Let's just say you send them to your product, your ecosystem, and they don't buy, right? That's gonna happen. Well, what we need to do is we need to have an email follow-up that has different offers, right? Different ways that you can make money. Maybe they didn't like your high ticket course. Maybe you can send them to another one, right? And that's why I always preach, have an ecosystem of products that make sense, but is also gonna help that person with the solution to their problem, okay? And again, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this and how you can plug and play into my ecosystem starting today. But you have to have that email follow-up, okay? I like to go as much as 100, 200, even 300 days of email follow-ups. Now, of course, there's easy ways to do this. You can plug and play, or you can write the emails yourself. I recommend always writing a few yourself. That way you can build that relationship with your audience. Email marketing has totally changed my life. It's helped me make my first $100,000 month, and I know if I keep doing the exact same thing I'm doing, it's gonna make me my first $1 million month. And I'm literally just doing the exact same thing that I've been teaching when I made my first $100 month. Now, before I move on to step number 4, I wanna clear something up, okay? A lot of people get nervous when it comes to selling, right? Guys, I don't want you to get nervous when you're starting an affiliate marketing business. You wanna sell, okay? Don't be nervous about offering things to people. I'm never hesitant to do that. Why? Because I believe in the products I'm selling, whether it's my products or the products I'm promoting. That being said, you need to partner with people or with companies that you truly believe in. I see so many affiliates just promoting random products that they've never bought, they don't believe in. And that's the reason they're not doing well, because they don't truly believe in that product. And I think that makes a big difference when you're starting your affiliate marketing business. That being said, I do recommend buying the products that you're promoting, but of course you don't have to if you don't want to. Now, step number 4, right? We got the products, we have the ecosystem, we have a ton of products we want to sell. Step number 2, we have the system in place. And step number 3, we have an autoresponder sequence. Now, step number 4 is probably the most important part, and that's getting customers, right? Traffic. So how do we do that, right? A few different ways we can do it. We can create YouTube videos, creating solutions for the problem that customer has, right? So, if you're selling an affiliate marketing course, think about the problems that people are gonna have, right? How to make money as a broke 9-to-5 worker, how to make money and leave my 9-to-5 job, right? These are the problems that these people are having. So you wanna think about the content that are the things that they're thinking, right? Really know what that customer's thinking, and that's gonna really help you create content. Again, that goes back to really knowing the product you're promoting. My biggest recommendation is YouTube. YouTube has totally changed my life, and I highly recommend that anyone start a YouTube channel, whether you're showing your face or not. You can create a massive amount of traffic using YouTube. Now, a faster way to start getting traffic is by going on TikTok. I've been able to grow to over 150,000 followers on TikTok, and I'm literally able to drive traffic almost instantly using this platform. There's obviously other ways to drive traffic, such as paid traffic, YouTube ads, but I recommend starting with free traffic first, and then once you start making money, then put that money into paid ads to grow that money even faster. Now, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like it so far, please like this video, subscribe down below if you found any value. But as I promised, I did say you can tap into my exact ecosystem of products that you can literally plug and play. So what I have, guys, is I have a free funnel and I have a free book that I want to give you guys, all right? Now, with this free book, it teaches people the 7 steps on basically how to build a 6-figure business. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you that book.
Nice.
I'm going to give you that book. I'm going to allow you to change the links, the Clickfunnels links, the get response link. I'm going to allow you to tap into my same ecosystem, but you're gonna get all the sales. You're using my brand, my authority, but I'm gonna let you use it and give it away as your own. And I'm even gonna give you the funnel that goes with this. You're gonna get a white label funnel, a white label ebook, and you're literally gonna be able to promote literally like 12 to 15 different products all in one ecosystem. And the best part about it, guys, I'm gonna give you the emails as well. So if you want access to this, guys, click the first link in the YouTube description down below. And that's gonna give you access to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Now, The way it works is within 3 days, I'm gonna teach you how to build this whole ecosystem out. And at the end of the 3 days, I'm gonna give you the white label ebook, the white label funnel, so you guys can go ahead and plug and play, okay? But more importantly, I wanna teach you the skills so you can do this yourself as well, right? I'm really adamant about teaching people skills. I don't like just giving people like plug and play stuff because sometimes they get it and they don't know how to use it, right? So I want to teach you the skills as well. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on email marketing. Trust me, this email marketing has totally changed my life. It's allowed me to quit my job, and it literally allows me to print money anytime I want. Like I could send an email to my 100,000 subscribers and literally print money on demand. It's crazy the leverage you can have with an email list. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Like this video if you found any value, subscribe to my channel, and you guys have a great day and God bless.